A watertight seal around your bathroom can prevent costly damages from leaks and spills. Knowing how to correctly apply sealant is the first step to achieving this. You can find both white and clear sealant on our website, as well as a sealant gun for application. And for the rest, you'll need masking tape, a sharp blade, some cloths for cleaning the area, protective gloves and a sealant finishing tool. First, ensure the area you wish to seal is clean, dry and free from dust or debris. If you are sealing a bath, make sure to fill it with water before you seal it. This will stop the sealant from pulling away when the bath is in use. Use the masking tape to mark the surface to be sealed. This will give a nice neat edge to the finished seal. Put on the protective gloves, as some sealants can cause minor skin irritation. Take your blade and cut off the sealant tube cap, making sure to cut away from you. Then screw on the nozzle. Cut off the tip of the nozzle at a 45-degree angle, making sure the opening is slightly larger than the gap you are sealing. Place the tube inside the sealant gun and squeeze the trigger gently. Take your time and leave behind a smooth, even line of sealant that completely covers the gap. To achieve a neat finish, you can use a sealant finishing tool, or alternatively, run your finger along the length of the seal. Remove the masking tape, taking care not to pull out any of the wet sealant. Make sure you allow plenty of time for the sealant to dry before emptying the bath of water or wetting the newly sealed surface.